Oh, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Hairbykingz. Stay tuned. Sponsorship with Sweet Fix hair products. So we started by doing transitions and showing you their products one by one. Started from the cap, the glue, the wax, the skin protector, all of the product that they sent to us for a review, melting spray, their hairband, and finally the box. Voila. Stay tuned. We start by cleaning up the skin. Apply the skin protector. From skin protector, we applied it around her edges. Then started with applying the got-to-be spray. When we were done with the got-to-be spray, allowed it to dry up a little bit. Then we now started applying, brushed everything back. The next step is just to apply the glue, but we said no, let's use their wax to comb out our frontal to perfection. We applied the frontal glue, just very light on her. Up next is frontal placement to the size of a frontal. Make sure that the edges are properly covered. Then we'll place it, tie down with elastic, but meanwhile make sure that none of the hairs flying around are on the glue, so it will give us a perfect fitting. Placing the frontal and tying down, you lift up the place that the glue didn't touch. Apply tiny glue on those lines to make sure that every part of the frontal is held down. After this method or this procedure, you tie down again with your elastic band. Tying down, bring your melting spray to shake it very well. That's very important. Use your brush down every part of the flying hairs, then apply the melting spray, pin down, tie back your elastic, brush back the whole hair to give you a perfect slick look all back. Then you can now start apply any other product you want to use your hair wrap and tie it down for a flat and a well melted look. I had to loosen the weave we did previously so I can be able to have a base where I will fix my hair. Now I had to sew down with the thread and needle. After that, the hair we used, or the bundle we used, was like an already made wig, so we just more like let's say attached it. Yes, we just attached it on the weaving, as you can see. Enjoy. Voila, we are done. So let us know what you think on the comment section. Ask us your questions. Tell us where you're confused and where you need help. We'll be right here, or rather I'll be right here waiting to have your questions answered and have your confusions cleared. Do enjoy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support me by sharing to your friends and anyone you know that would need this knowledge. Thank you.